this is a lecture number 2 for the chapter coordinate geometry for the class 10th, and in the last lecture we have discussed the distance formula and the question number 1, 2 and 3 of the first exercise. Now in question number 4 you have to check whether these points, that is 5 minus 2, then another point is 6 4, and the third point is minus 7 minus 2. You have to find whether these are the vertices of the isosceles triangle or not. Now you know that the isosceles triangle is that whose two sides are equal, or the length of the two sides of the triangle are equal. So I have let these 3 points be A, whose coordinate is 5 minus 2, that second point be B, whose coordinate is 6 4, and the third point let us take it equal to C, which is 7 minus 2. Now you have to find whether it is an isosceles triangle or not. So what I will do, I will find the distance between A and B by using the distance formula. So it will be x2 and minus x1 ka whole square, that is 6 minus 5 ka whole square, that is y2 minus y1 ka whole square, that is x2 minus x1 ka whole square, y2 minus y1 ka whole square. This is coming out to be 1 and this is coming out to be 6 ka square, that is 36, that is root 37 is the distance between these 2 points, or we can send the length of the side AB. Then I will find the length of the AC, that is by using the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square, that is 7 minus 2 ka whole square, that is 4, and it is 0, so it is coming out to be root 4, which is equal to 2. So this is the length of this. Now I'll find the length of BC. So BC will be equal to x2 minus x1 ka whole square and y2 minus y1 ka whole square. So this is coming out to be 1 square, that is 1, minus 6 ka square, that is 37, that is root 37. So this side and this side is equal to each other, that is AB is equal to BC, and this is AB is equal to BC. So therefore it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, because its two sides are, length of the two sides are equal. So it is an isosceles triangle. After that, let us take the question number 5. It is given that in a classroom 4 students are seated at the points ABCD. The diagram is given in your NCERT book. Now you have to write the coordinates first of all the 4 students. The student A, you have to write the coordinate, then the coordinate of B, then the coordinate of student C, then the coordinate of the student D. You see in your book the coordinate of A is 3 4, the x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 4. The coordinate of B is 6 and 7. See in your book, all of you. And coordinate of C is 9, 4. And the coordinate of D is 6 and 1. Now you have to find whether this position of these 4 students forming a square or not. It is forming a square or not. So what you have to do, first of all, you find the distance of AB. AB ka distance nikaliye. It is x2 minus x1 ka whole square. Then we have y2 minus y1 ka whole square. This is coming out to be 9, 3 ka square, 3 ka square 9. It is coming out to be root 18. Now you find the distance between BC. BC ka distance nikaliye. Again x2 minus x1 ka whole square and y2 minus y1 ka whole square. x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square. यहाँ पर भी 3 का square 9, minus 3 का square 9, ये भी root 18 आ रहा है. Now find the distance between CD. Again find the distance between 2, x2 minus x1 ka whole square. Then we have y2 minus y1 ka whole square, that is minus 3 ka square 9, minus 3 ka square 9, ये भी root 18 आ रहा है. This is also root 18. Then find the distance between this AB. AD का distance निकालिए, that is AD. It is equal to again x2 minus x1 ka whole square and y2 minus y1 ka whole square. So this is also coming out to be 3 ka square, that is 9, 3 ka square, that is 9, root 18. That is what we have find it out. If we let this coordinate as ABCD, the length of this coming out to be root 18, this is coming out to be root 18, this is also coming out to be root 18, this is coming out to be root 18. Now all the 4 sides are coming to be equal. So all sides are coming to be equal. We have to tell whether it is forming a square or not. When a quadrilateral is said to be square, all sides are equal and the length of its diagonal is also equal to are equal to each other. So to prove that whether it is a square or not, I'll find the length of its diagonals also. That is, I'll find the diagonal AC. I'll find the length of the diagonal AC also by using the distance formula. So coordinate of A and C is given. So I'll find the distance y2 x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square. तो 9 minus 3 का whole square, 9 minus 3 का whole square plus 4 minus 4 का whole square. So this is 0. This is 9 minus 3 ka whole square, that is root 36. This is coming out to be 6. Now I'll find the length of the diagonal BD. Length of the diagonal BD. So this is B and this is D. So x2 minus x1 ka whole square, y2 minus y1 ka whole square. So 6 minus 6 ka whole square. And it is 1 minus 7 ka whole square. So this is also coming out to be 0 plus 36, root 36, that is 6. So it means its diagonals is coming to be equal, all sides are equal. So because AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and AC is equal to BD. So this is therefore ABCD is a square. So when you have to prove that the quadrilateral is a square, you have to prove that all sides are equal and the length of the diagonals are also equal. The distance between A and C and distance between B and D, that is the length of the diagonals, are also equal to each other. Then it will be a square. So these four students, which is whose coordinates are given, is forming a square. It is forming a square. So this is the same thing you have to prove in question number 6, where the in all the parts, if you see in the NCERT book, the points are given, coordinate of the 4 points are given, and you have to find which type of the quadrilateral it is forming. So in the question number 6 first part, these are the 4 coordinate of the 4 points, that is minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0. The coordinate of C is minus 1 and 2. The coordinate of D is minus 3, 0. You have to find what type of quadrilateral it is. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to find all sides and the length of the diagonals, and you have to find whether it is forming the quadrilateral, which type of quadrilateral it is. So first of all, the length of AB, that is x2 minus x1 ka whole square. This is x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square. This is coming out to be 4 plus 4, that is root 8. The length of the one of the side of the quadrilateral is root 8. Then you find BC. This is BC, that is x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square. This is also coming out to be 4 plus 4, that is root 8. Then you find the distance of CD, that is the length of the side of the quadrilateral CD, that is x2 minus x1 ka whole square, x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square. So this is also coming out to be minus 2 ka square, that is 4. That is minus 2 ka square 4, that is also equal to root 8. Then the length of AD, distance between these two sides AD, that is again x2 minus x1 ka whole square. This is coming out to be, and y2 minus y1 ka whole square. So this is also coming out to be 4 plus 4, that is root 8. It means all 4 sides are coming to be equal to each other. Now I'll find the length of the diagonal AC. Now length of the diagonal AC is x2 minus x1 ka whole square, x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square, y2 minus y1, that is plus 2, the 0 plus 4 ka square, that is 16. It is coming out to be 4, and the length of the diagonal BD, length of the diagonal BD, which is coming out to be x2 minus x1 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 ka whole square, that is minus 4 ka square. This is minus 4 ka square, that is 16, which is equal to 4. So in this quadrilateral, all the 4 sides are coming to be equal to each other, and the length of the diagonals also equal to each other. So because AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and AC is equal to BD, so therefore ABCD is a square. ABCD is square. In a quadrilateral, if all sides are equal, if I draw the figure, if all sides are equal and their diagonals are also equal, then it is a square. Now if the diagonal will not, all the sides are equal and the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. A quadrilateral is a rhombus. You know it when all sides are equal and the diagonals are not equal to each other. So let us take its second part of the question number 6, whose coordinates are -3, 5. The coordinate of B is 3, 1. The coordinate of C is 4, 3. The coordinate of D is 1, 2. This is the what I've taken, -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3. It is 0, 3 and the fourth is -1, -4. Now here you have to find what type of quadrilateral it is forming. Now if I find the length of these all the sides, that is AB, at again x2 minus x1 ka whole square, y2 minus y1 ka whole square. So this is coming out to be 6 ka square, that is 36. This is 1 minus 5, that is -4. -4 ka square is 16. So 36 plus 16, that is coming out to be root 52. When you solve it, it will be 2 root 13. That is 2 into 2 into 13. That is 2 root 13. Then you find the distance of BC. Length of BC, this x2 minus x1 ka whole square, x2 minus x1 ka whole square, y2 minus y1 ka whole square, which is coming out to be -3 ka square is 9 and 2 ka square is 4. So it is coming out to be root 13. It is coming out to be root 13. Now find the length of CD. CD का distance पता करिए, x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, -4 -3 का square, that is 1 minus 1 का square is 1, -7 का square is 49, that is root 50. This is coming out to be root 50, which is 5 into 5, that is 5 root 2. It will be 5 into 5 into 2. You can solve it. And the distance of AD का distance निकालिए, which is coming out to be x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, which is coming out to be -1 plus 3, 2 का square, that is 4, -4 minus 5, -9 का square is 81, so it is root 85. So if you see it here, all the sides are not equal, equal भी नहीं है, and but if you see it very carefully, अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखें, that is the length of BC and AC, the length of BC and AC, if you find the diagonals also, अगर आप इसका diagonal पता करें, that is x2 minus x1 का whole square, x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square, that is 3 minus 5 का whole square, that is 3 का square is 9 and 3 minus 5 minus 2 का square is 4, that is root 13. Now if you see it very carefully, the sum of these two is coming out to be equal to this. Because all the sides of this quadrilateral is not coming out to be equal, but if we see it very carefully, that is AB plus BC, rather AB is equal to BC plus AC. ये जो है इन दोनों के सम के इक्वल आ रहा है, दैट इज BC plus AC is equal to AB, so therefore A, B, C are collinear. Means these 4 points not forming the quadrilateral. Collinear है तो ABCD is not a quadrilateral. ये quadrilateral भी नहीं बना रहा है. It is not a quadrilateral also. So this is 3 points of this 4 given points are collinear. Collinear है, quadrilateral भी नहीं बना रहा है. Let us take the third part of this question number 6. What the coordinates are given? The first coordinate is 4, 5. The second coordinate is 7, 6. The third coordinate is 4, 3. The next coordinate D is 1, 2. And you have to find which type of quadrilateral it is. So if you find the distance between AB, again x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, तो it is equal to 7 minus 4, 3, 3 का square 9, 6 minus 1 का square it is 1, तो it is coming out to be root 10. तो ये root 10 आ रहा है. BC is x2 minus x1 का whole square, x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, which is coming out to 4 minus 7 minus 3 का square 9, 3 minus 6 that is minus 3 का square that is 9, so it is coming out to be root 18, which is 3 into 3 into 2 that is 3 root 2. then you find CD, आप CD की लेंथ पता करिए, वही x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, which is coming out to be minus 3 का square is 9 और minus 1 का square is 1, which is root 10. ये root 10 आ रहा है. then find the length of AD, ये AD पता करिए, तो वही x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square. So this is coming out to be 9 minus 3 का square and 2 minus 5 minus 3 that is 9. It is coming out to be root 18. Now if you see it very carefully, opposite sides are coming to be equal to each other. ये opposite side एक दूसरे के equal आ रही हैं, and the quadrilateral whose opposite side of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. You also find its length of the diagonals also, length of the diagonal. If the opposite sides are equal and if the length of the diagonals are also come to equal to each other, then it will be a rectangle. So if we find its diagonal AC, which will be equal to x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, now it is coming out to be 0 plus minus 2 का whole square, that is root 4, which is equal to 2, and BD is length of the diagonal, BD x2 minus x1 का whole square, y2 minus y1 का whole square, and it is coming out to be root 52. Now because opposite sides are equal of a quadrilateral, because AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD and AC is not equal to BD, then it is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Now if the diagonals will be also be equal, then it will be a rectangle. A quadrilateral is a rectangle whose opposite sides are equal and the length of the diagonals are also equal. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.